What's up everyone, it's Kevin from SLEEPERtv again, and I have a review for you today. But first and foremost, if you do follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and all the social medias that I post on stories, I did make you aware that there has been a change to my merch store. So if you click on the link for my merch store, you're gonna see that there's an Etsy store there now. That is the biggest change. I'm hosting everything on Etsy. So all the t-shirts that you're gonna be getting, all the t-shirts you're gonna be seeing from now on are gonna be on Etsy. Shipping is gonna be a lot faster. Your quality prints are gonna be a lot better. And also the t-shirts are gonna be even better than before. Even better. When I say better, I mean better than before. But shut up. So what I have here for you today, USA-based company, small business, USA. They have made an innovation to what a lot of people have been wondering, will it ever happen? And yes, it has. BadFlag. They have made the unexplainable happen. You can mount flags to any car now. Any car. It used to be trucks. You would see trucks with flags. But no, not today. Not today. They are making the car industry insane with flags of any kind. Jolly Roger flag, they have it. USA flag, they have it. Don't tread on me, they have it. All of them, all the above. And you think, oh, I mentioned only flags that you might not want, you might not be interested in, but no, they thought of that too. They thought of that. Custom flags? Custom flags? They can make custom flags? Yeah, they can. But check it out. The way they did this, right? You're thinking, oh, Kevin, a flag's gonna blow off. A flag is gonna ruin my car. Maybe, but not this way. They give you 2 industrial strength suction cups that have pumps that you can pump. These hold up to, I believe it's 250, don't quote me on that, 250 pounds of force holding on here. Holding this flag, this fiberglass pole, onto your car. So you're asking installation, Kevin, is this hard to install in my car? No. If you have a brain and 2 eyes, then you could do this. Even your grandma, with some help, can do this as well. 2 suction mounts, industrial grade, industrial strength, up to 250 pounds, I believe. Don't quote me on that. And all you do is just pop it on your car. I'll pop this off for you. See that? You push it on, bring the camera in, you just push it on, right? You got the suction, and then you see this little pump. There's a white indicator. You just keep pumping. Keep pumping it. It won't pump anymore. The white indicator is gone, and you're done. You're done. Now, BadFlag does have an installation video on their website that goes into further detail of the do's and don'ts, but what you've just witnessed is what you have to do to install it. That's all you have to do. And then you can have a badass flag on your car, you can have a custom flag, you can have whatever flag you want. You can have a flag saying, hey, I have a flag on my car. If you design it, they can make it. They have custom services to make any flag that you want. And now you're saying, is that it? Yes, that's it. You see that flag on my car? I have a flag on my car. I have a flag on my Camaro, okay? Was that ever possible? Was I gonna get a hitch for my car? No, you don't put a hitch on a Camaro. You don't put a hitch on a muscle car. Are you kidding me? No, no. But yes, I have a flag on my car. What's up? What's up? Who do you know has a flag on their car? Who do you know has a flag on their Camaro? Huh? Huh? Yeah. So back on the real note, BadFlag has done it. They're a great company. Like I said, USA based, small business. They made it through the pandemic. They're going strong, and they have everything that you need to put a flag on your car. Check them out, badflag.com. Customer service is great. The owner's great. Great bunch of people. What more do you want? Really, what more do you want? Now for my review. So I've had this flag on for 3 days. You're thinking, Kevin, why are we gonna get this when we don't know how well it is? Well, I'll tell you why. I put it on my car, that's why. I don't put anything on my car that I don't believe in. And BadFlag is a flag that I believe in. I've driven my car for the past 3 days with this flag on and no issues whatsoever. Now there have been times where I have kind of clinched a little bit, thinking, holy shit, this flag is just waving so fast, but did it break? I don't see a broken flagpole behind me. This thing is sturdy, fiberglass pole. It's made to withstand the winds. And BadFlag, I think they do recommend to keep the speeds under 70 miles per hour. I've tested those speeds. And I do see a flagpole still behind me, standing strong. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you, BadFlag, for giving me the opportunity to review this product. I will rate this a 9 out of 10, only because, bring it close right here, I'll show you why. These screws are plastic. Now, I've had experience with products you put on the outside of your car that have plastic hardware. When the sun hits it, the plastic becomes brittle and then just snaps. You can go from having a simple screw snapped to a hole in the side of your car out of pure anger of when it breaks, but that's not the case. But BadFlag, that's the only thing that I have a concern for, is that these plastic screws. That's the only concern that I have. 9 out of 10 on the flagpole, 9 out of 10 on the flag. And let me show you something that I've noticed with the flag. They have a lot of detail and a lot of durability put into this. They have took into consideration flags tearing, because this flag's gonna be waving in the wind. It's gonna be waving. It's gonna be waving. But they took that into consideration. And they quadruple stitch their flags at the end, which after 3 days, I mean, I'm going around 60, 65 miles per hour, even probably 70, 75. And I don't see a tear at all on here. No tear at all. So that about wraps up this video, the review of BadFlag's flagpole and flag. I love it, but thank you again. And thank you to all my viewers for watching, subscribing, checking out my own merch store, getting a t-shirt for yourself. And I'll see you guys next week.